Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to transfer money from your DoorDash Crimson card to your bank account. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to dasher.doordash.com. Then log in to your Dasher account. Once you're signed in, go to earnings and look for deposit and transfer options. If you want to send money instantly, choose Fast Pay. Keep in mind there's a small fee for instant transfers. To get paid automatically, select Direct Deposit and enter your bank details, including your account number and routing number. Save your settings, and your future earnings will be sent straight to your bank each week. And that's it. That's how you transfer money from your DoorDash Crimson card to your bank account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.